Hello, and welcome back. I hope you enjoy making your flowers. So I'm just going to show you how I did arrange my bouquet. So the amount of flowers you will find in the PDF instruction that comes with when ordering this bouquet. And actually, you do not have, this is just to show you how I did it. And obviously you may arrange your own bouquet the way you would like to. Just have fun and enjoy the fruit of your labor. You know, you don't have to exactly copy this. So I will start, I will start with the Angel Squire poppies, and I'll just put them here at the side. I really would like them to have one opposite side. Let's do this. So one here, so they're all spread out, and one there, the opposite. I'll do the same with the happiness poppy. Like that. The mother of pearl poppy. I'll start with the poppies and divide them evenly. And again, please feel free to arrange them the way you would like to. And then we have the amazing grain. Okay. There you go. So divide that evenly, and then you have them around. Okay. This is the best angle I can get, my friends. I'm so sorry. Or else I can't reach the camera anymore. Next step. I have the Japanese ranunculus. I have 5 Japanese ranunculus. Just add them there. Divide them as well equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be fine. I'm not a professional flower artist. I mean, yeah. I never went to school or anything, but so I just want to show you that even though you didn't, even us may not like be professionals who do it 10 times beautiful, absolutely, but we should be able to do it as well. Now I have here the Cupcake Cosmos, and they're all together. 1, 2. Oh, I was supposed to take a picture of them first. Hold on, I'll be right back. So, sorry. So, I have to take everything out again. Take pictures first, because I forgot about the bundle. Now we're going to use all the Cosmos cupcakes that we have. Let me count how many I have in total, because I made quite a few. So 5 of them, and we can divide those. So I have 3 pink and 2 white. So I'll place them in between. I would like these to be up front, but what I'm gonna do with this is I want them to be higher. Maybe I should do this last. So I'm gonna do this last. Cupcakes last. Going to the Cosmos White and Blush, which is, oh chips. This is white. They're all tangled now. This is double. This is double. This is... Let me arrange them, sorry. And thank you for your patience, my friends. It takes time to work this. 1, 2, 3. Cupcake, cupcake. Okay. I think I have them now. Yes. Okay. So for the cupcake blush, I have 3 of the blush, and then I have 3 of the white, and then I have 1 for the pink, which is from the tutorial, and I didn't want to throw it away. I just wanted to use it, so I'll just add that in between the ranunculus. You'll have 4, so you have to divide them evenly. And then, yeah. So I'll just do 1 here, 1 there. 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect, my friends. To here, to there. Always put your future flowers. There are some that are pretty, maybe worked out better than the other one. Always put them in front. So this is going to be my front view. And that's going to be my back view. See that? There they are, 4. Kind of created a square. I have 3 left. And I'm just going to wait for these, I think. Put them aside. Now I'm going back to pink. These are the blush, double Cosmos blush, double cupcake Cosmos blush. 1, and I'm creating a triangle with them. 2. So 1 at the back, here at the front, and then 3. I have 4 of the double Cosmos white, and again I'm just gonna create a triangle, 4, but this time, so here are the 4, so this time I'll add them there. I'm doing 1, 2. This is fun, just have fun. Don't worry. 3 and 4. There you go. Now, don't worry about that. We're going to create space with that by adding more flowers. And also about the thingy, have a look at it. Make sure that it's like, how do you say that? Round, and from the front view as well. And to make it sure, just push the flower to the front to create that perfect, at least sure it's round, and from front view as well, that there's balance on this side. Okay, there's a bit of contradiction when I say don't have to do it perfect, and then you get this. I have 2 sugar plum poppies, which I will do on the sides or here. I'm going to push them to the front, create space for the other flowers. There you go. And then I have these two yellows. I forgot the name, but I believe they're pom-pom poppies. And I'll just stick them there. I want some yellow. My wires are a bit shorter because these are quite, still had these. I wanted to use them from the Fiore bundle. Push them to the front, create space. Don't be afraid, you can always rearrange them a bit later. And it's just nice how to see them grow, right? Then I have these two poppies, lilac, I forgot the name again, which I'll just do here. This is also shorter, but that's okay. And now it's full. See? I'm gonna lift up one right here because I do would like the change the anything. Again, this is just many ways to arrange them. And I'm gonna look my front again. This is my front. And I would like them to be leaning forward. So I'm just gonna push some flowers back to the front. Yes, like this. Okay. And rotate it and see if it's like round. And you can do that by just pushing your templates forward. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. Love it. Even the from front view is nice. Now we have the leaves. Oh, here they are. I have how many branches? 1, 2, 3, 6 branches. Oh, 5 branches of the lemon tree, and just add 5 here. I'll do 4 this side and then 1 in the center, and you can arrange them by so 1 here, and then 1 on the opposite side. And they can be higher than the others. That's okay, because they're leaves. It's okay to have some right there. And then here. And this one is shorter. This will go to the back. This is a small one. It's okay to have they would hide a bit. Oh, that's wrong. It's not in the base. This one's sticking out. You can always gently rotate them if you want. And then here. See, and it's with the leaves. But then again, it is pretty if you have a closed, or not a very transparent vase for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think they're a bit high though. I'm not sure if I could push them down. I can't. And then 1 in the center between the poppies, the purple poppies that we placed lastly there. And lift that one up again. I think they're a bit high. I can't push them down. I'm just going to play with the height, make them smaller by bending the wires when necessary. Now, it's okay to do that. See, I'm just bending them so they won't be too long. I'm doing that in a circle though. Just like this. Let's see now. You can always bend and break the wire. I like this. I thing is very arty-farty. Now position some of your flowers, as in, where's my friend again? Oh, here's my friend. I want this a bit to be higher, so I'm just going to lift them up a bit. There you go. Oh, that's a bit too high. There. There are no leaves here, so just gonna, don't be afraid to bend. But be gentle. Oh. Okay. Again, you can rearrange the leaves by bending the wire if you want. Let's have them a bit, I like this. Okay, now I'm gonna use the remaining 3 of the, how do you call them? Blush cupcakes. Triangle, 1, 2, another one here. Close this gap. So 1, 2, 3. There you go. And now I'm gonna use these Cosmos cupcakes. And this will be so fun. Try to have them different direction. So I have pink and white at the top between these 2 poppies. And one's pointing that direction and the other one this way. Yeah, because that will give. And then I have 4. I'm going to do is I'm going to stick them to the sides here. Like, oh, here. The side here, there, there, and there. Okay? So I'm going to do the pink one here in the front. Just in between somewhere. And have them stick out. I'm not sure if you can see it. Look, there they are. There it is. There. And yeah, it's sticking out. It's so fun. Just gives a different shape. And I have this white one sticking out, like, what's going on here? And then I'll have, wait, I have 2 on this side. There. Just in between. These 4 flowers, if you have followed me. Just the side. I want them to be high, so they're sticking out. And that one here. And the exact opposites. Sticking out. Okay, and we are done. Hard to show you, but look at this bundle of joy. I really truly like it. Now have a look, step back, and have a look if it's even, you know, in the composition. It's round, and maybe you need to pull back or pull some flowers towards more down, and when you do, perfect. I'm gonna lift up the sleeve a bit, and this one too. Second. that's it for the Charis bouquet. I hope you enjoyed making this one. I know it's gonna take you a lot of time. The side view, front view, and I'll take a picture of this. Front, side, back, and then you can see. But it's just, you know, just to show you how I arranged mine, and I hope you enjoy making this one. We don't have this kind of bouquet yet. That's like full, and it goes perfectly with my new vase that has the shape of a chandelier. See that? Got it on sale, and I thought it was a set, but it wasn't. So actually, basically, I got my money returned so I could buy a new one, or other one. So I'll have a set, but so I got this one for free, right? I mean, yeah. Maybe I'll buy the other one still if they still have it. I'll think of it when I have the money again. I actually really do like it. Okay, it's so pretty. So I hope you enjoy making yours. Good luck, have fun, and looking forward to seeing your creations. And again, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. This is just an indication of how I arranged mine. Okay? Good luck, have fun. You'll get pictures as you saw, front and side views and back. And looking forward to seeing your creations. Ciao.